Here is a brief overview of the AirStreamFactory Demonstrator. First, let's have a look to the window layout. At the top left, the menu area allows to manage the various actions to be performed. At the bottom, the information area provides status about the current action, as well as an evaluation of the elapsed time before completion via a progress bar on the left side. The central area is a GIS area where the results of the tool are displayed. Finally, the console area provides the user numerical information about the various actions performed. The initial input from the toolkit is the clean traffic, which in this case has been extracted from the Eurocontrol's DDR2 database. The first step is then to build a traffic sample from the demand expressed by the airspace user stored in OLFT files. Let's see what step 1 looks like. Use the Generate menu to select the input traffic item. All available OLFT files stored in the repository are proposed. Select one and validate. Parsing process is started as mentioned at the bottom of the demonstrator window. When done, the trajectories found in the sample are displayed on the map, and the result of the parsing is shown in the console. The map can be zoomed and allowed to display any part of the world. The tool is now ready for the next step of the AirStream network generation. Once the traffic is available, it is possible to build the backbone of the AirStream network, a set of AirStream reference tracks, the ASRTs. For each ASRT, the aggregated traffic is also stored for the next step. With step 2, the ASRT's network will be generated. Use the Generate menu to select the ASRT's item. Then select the desired traffic sample and start the aggregation. When finished, the ASRT's network is displayed. Each ASRTs are labeled, and their thicknesses are directly linked to the number of flights aggregated. Each ASRT can be displayed individually, along with its own traffic. Based on the ASRT backbone, it is possible to build the 3D structure of the AirStream network and reroute the aggregated traffic inside this network. Now, the final traffic is available for computing indicators. Based on the ASRT's network, the 3D structures of the airstreams and the rerouted traffic can be computed. Use the Generate menu and select the AirStream traffic item. Choose your traffic and launch the generation. Rerouting algorithm is building a new traffic using the 3D structure of the airstreams. The main lanes of the airstreams flown in the traffic sample can be displayed. The lane structure of the various airstreams is presented here. The first type of indicator are the complexity maps. Origin and final rerouted traffic can be used. Once generated, the complexity maps can be compared to evaluate the evolution of the complexity levels between different traffic patterns. Various indicators can be calculated. One of the most interesting is the complexity map. The complexity map can be evaluated for each traffic sample for a specific geographical zone. Here, the area is covering the ECAC region. Complexity areas are marked by the salmon spots. Darker is the spot, higher is the complexity. An indicator representing the mean complexity over the studied area is also calculated. It allows to compare different traffic and identify the one with a lower level of complexity. Other metrics can also be computed, such as, for instance, various flown distances type. This ends the short tour inside the AirStreamFactory Demonstrator. Thank you. Other classical indicators are also available in the demonstrator. They are mainly dealing with the distance flown or the time of flight. For instance, the main flown distance of the sample can be evaluated. Just select the sample. The result is displayed in the console area. This was covering the main functionalities of the demonstrator. Thank you for your attention, and we will be happy to plan a live demo to go further.